Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this look. So if you'd like to find out more, please keep watching. Oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name's Jana and this is a wig, if you can't tell straight away. But I mean, if you want more deets, stay tuned till the end of the video. I mean let's get started. Hi, how are ya? I'm joking guys, but okay, so today we are going to be testing out a few new things out here. We have the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, which I saw that it came out the other day and I was like, let's try because it's affordable, so we're gonna see what's happening. And as well as the Morphe Jeffree Star sponges. Now I already wet the big one, that's why it doesn't fit in here, as you can see. But I'm gonna try to use this one today. I didn't dampen the smaller ones. I don't know how I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so my eyebrows are kind of filled in more so because we're trying out more newness. They all got a new wig, so we're not going for the dark brow and blonde hair situation type of thing. So it's kind of a light brow with the blonde hair. So let's get into it. Okay, so I have the color Light Peach. Now I tested out some other colors in super dark and I thought it can't get whiter than the white, but apparently e.l.f. did it. So I thought I'll go for a Light Peach. I mean, it's already white as it can get. So that's how it looks like the tart one, so I don't mind it. So I'm just going to drop some here and then we'll get going from there. So far the consistency is very creamy and that's what I like in the concealer. I don't want it too liquidy because you need the coverage in your concealer. Okay, so now that the concealer is on, I'm just going to get the leftovers and cover up a few unwanted gifts on my face. One thing I can say is it's a very good coverage. And now we're going to go into the Jeffree sponges. I don't know what side to use. Okay, there's a bit of wipage going on here. I don't know what is happening. Is the concealer, is it the sponge? Is it too damp? Did I not rinse it off properly? All I can say about the sponges, it was a good price, knowing that the Beauty Blender is £17 on its own, but for the 3 sponges from Jeffree Morphe collab is £16 for all 3 of them, so that was like, hello, I need you. I feel like I need more concealer on my eyes. Okay, so the concealer is definitely buildable, and now we're going to set the eyes, and I'm using the Collection Invisible setting powder. Now I like the Collection ones because they're affordable and they actually do the job, so I ain't mad at it. And we're using the big pink dye, so let's see how that feels. I mean, I see what Tati was saying, the sponge is more firm than the Beauty Blender one, but I think it's okay. It still blends well, so let's keep going. Okay, so the foundation's done. I'm happy with it. Now let's go back into the concealer and the smaller sponge. So here's the concealer, and I'm going to go with the Sharpie side. And let's see how this goes. The little sponge definitely does the job that the big sponge wouldn't, because I doubt I would fit the big sponge in a corner of my eye, but this one does the job. And I definitely prefer the rounder bit for the under eye. The sharp one feels a bit strange. Maybe it's better for setting it. and setting time. So the flat side is definitely better to set. Okay, so the face is snatched. I just messed up a highlighter. We're gonna go on to the eyes, and the reason I'm doing my eyes after foundation is because we're not doing nothing dark, so it's only light pinky colors, so we should be good and shouldn't get any fallout. So yeah, so first color, I'm going into the Dose of Colors, the Desi Katie Foundation palette. I'm going to be using the Necessary. So next palette up is this sleek one, ultra bright one, with the floss color, which is right here. So something like a baby pink situation, and then we're gonna add some sparkle into it. For these, I'm using these guys in the packaging. I just find this the best one to kind of apply it with these eyeshadows, and you can probably barely see it, but that's what I want it to do. So it's a very baby pink situation. And now I'm just going to go back into Necessary. Just darken up the corners a bit. And now it's time for Just a Kiss, which is a pretty shiny colour. You see it? There we go. This one. And I'm going to use my finger for that because I find that that's the best application for it. I'm not sure if the camera's going to catch it. It's a very natural kind of glowy pinky, goldy shininess going on. Since we're like at the top, we're going to put the Necessary on the lower lash line as well for just a tiny bit of definition. Now I just literally line the lash line just a tiny bit with my Inglot gel liner, mascara and lashes. Okay, so the face is done. I'm just gonna set it a tiny bit, get onto the lashes, lips, and finally the wig. By the way, the highlight that I used was this. It's the Revolution. It's the I Love Revolution, Goddess of Love. So now we are looking dewy, we are looking shiny. And for lashes today, I'll be using my low lashes as always in the style Milan. So that's how they look like. They're stuck together because I used them already before, but we want something more fresh, less full, more like wispy looking, and I feel like these will do. I feel like these will do the trick today. And here are the lashes. I feel like they're doing the most, but in the most subtle way. You can see them from far, but yet you can still see what's going on in my eyelid, and I love it. I love it. This is like I'm fresh. I'm on holiday, I'm fresh, I'm gleaming. It's summer, although it's February. Let's move on to the lips. So for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX or NYX, whatever you want to call it, lip liner called Mauve. So just to outline and give it more colour, then I know I'm kind of like one tone. So here we are. For lipstick, we're using MAC Blush Spot. I've never done this combination before, but I like it. So that's the lip, and we're going to Kiko 05 3D Hydra Lip Gloss. It's time to get sexy with a wig cap on and everything. So I'm just going to tie my hair back, put a wig cap on, and slap the new wig on. I will be doing a full review on the wig. That will probably be in the next video. We shall see. Oh my gosh, guys, are you ready? Are you ready? She is here. I mean, first of all, I'm gonna be doing a review on this wig pretty soon. Second of all, let's talk about, this is synthetic and this is not shiny. What? What? I mean, how? Look at the curls. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I mean, from far in the camera, I'm looking like, who is this? Who is she? Look, there's, oh my gosh. It looks like real hair. How? I mean, the best thing, the cutest thing of all, you know those Snapchat filters? They sent me a little flower clip. Oh my gosh. Where should I put it? I mean. I'm speechless. I'm summery. Let's make ourselves more glowy. Damn, I did not expect this, but girl, I'm ready. Wherever I'm going, I am ready. If you like this video of the makeup and the hair, if you like, let's say this, if you want more information on this wig, I have a full review and everything. I mean, this looks like it's enough. But if you'd like another video, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my fresh summer kind of pinky vibes going on makeup look. I mean, usually I do more than this, but you know what to do, guys. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Click the button below. Subscribe to your girl. I will have a discount code for you guys on this wig. What? I mean, I need more wigs. This is not a lace front, but who cares? Who cares? If it bothers you, the hairline bothers you, you know, you can just put a little hat on and that's it. This is your hair. Pretty much your hair, because there's no shine. The curls are here, like what? Thank you for watching. Until next time. This palette Desi KTK. Desi Dainty. And oh, just threw it. I feel like, oh.